Hello everyone! Magluluto tayo ngayon ng tinolang manok. Okay, first, you fry the ginger. Next, our garlic. Ayan na. Then, onion. Yung whole onion lang yan. Next. And now, let's add the chicken. Pasensya na, frozen pa yung chicken ko. Okay. And water. Now, we'll cover it and let it boil. Walang papaya, so let's add sayote. Ayan. Konting patis, fish sauce. Konti ba yun? Dami yata. Okay, then ground pepper. Konti lang. Next, pepper leaves. Ayan. Okay. Luto na to. Okay, let's eat. Tikman natin. Sarap-sarap. Luto na. Okay, let's eat tinolang manok.